Hey guys, and today I brought you a new phone. It's out in the market for quite some time, but got in my hands, and that is the Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite. Now I just got rid of the iPhone SE 2020 or SE2, whatever you call it, because I had some issues regarding using that. More on that in the next video, but let's focus on this phone because once I purchased this, it's quite amazing and it's basically for anybody who's just using a phone. Now this is the budget phone, you can say approximately $300 to $350, depends on where you live. And this one is the 128 GB internal storage with 8 GB of RAM. Now this is the boba black color as they state, but just let's call it black. And there's another one, the bubble blue, or in the next term you can say blue color. But this one is quite a nice looking phone, slim and lightweight. Now looking at the front side of the phone, you will get the AMOLED panel with 90 Hz screen refresh rate, and even though there's a punch hole cutout, but it's better compared to notches or the teardrop notch. This one looks better. Now the brightness of the screen is very visible, especially under direct sunlight. It goes all the way up to 800 nits and HDR10, so with clearer, or you can say crisp display. It doesn't feature, of course, the under fingerprint sensor, but nonetheless you will get, that's what we're coming at the side, is the fingerprint sensor and also a power button. So like it's going towards the Sony phones, but yeah, I like that. It does also come with a volume rocker on the just above the power button. On the other side you have nothing, and looking at the top, yes, you will have an IR blaster and also with a mic. And at the bottom of the phone you will get a SIM card tray or slot, and there's also a Type-C port which supports up to 33 watts of fast charging, and with a single 5-ring speaker at the bottom. Now at the back side of the phone you will get a nice shiny glass display at the back. So yeah, if you can see, also it's a fingerprint magnet and a huge camera bump, but I really like the camera bump. Even the Mi 11 and Mi 11 Ultra, it's a unique look actually. So now looking closer at the camera, you will see 3 sensors in this and one LED flashlight. So the primary camera has a 64 MP of wide sensor and is for very good looking photos when snap, and the videos are also quite clearer. We'll come into that later on. The second part is the ultrawide. Now this one has an 8 MP sensor, which is quite reduced. I was expecting at least 16 MP, but nonetheless that's what you get. Even the photo looks great in that, and 5 MP of macro lens. I don't know why someone would put that there, but a telephoto lens would do. Oh, and I also forgot about the front facing camera. It does feature an 16 MP sensor, and the photos are quite good, crisp, but when you just zoom a bit, you will see the sharpness is quite a lot compared to the other phones, because I haven't seen such selfie shots like that. Now let's talk about the internals of this phone. This phone has, as I stated earlier, 128 GB of internal storage. The baseline is 64 GB all the way up to 128, and it starts also with 6 GB of RAM with 8 GB the maxed or the highest variant. The internal storage is not UFS 3.1 or 3.0, but this is UFS 2.2, so not the fastest, but nonetheless it just works fine when you're doing 4K video recording. The battery is 4250 mAh and it's pretty huge. I've charged it like yesterday morning. I plugged it out, and up to now it's got a battery at 33%. And you get the Snapdragon 732G. G stands for gaming, but I haven't tried in this one the 8nm processor. The GPU is Adreno 618. It's quite okay in terms of performance. The Antutu benchmark is displayed here compared to, and how it plays out with the others. You can compare it with the other phones. And finally, the internals, like the software. Now the software the phone runs is Android 11 and MIUI 12. If you guys enjoyed this video, as I've enjoyed using this phone, please do leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more contents, more reviews, and the camera review upcoming part 2 sooner. So that's why you're gonna be subscribing that, right? So if you guys have any questions, comment below, and catch you guys in the next one. 365, 'cause the shit is real.